Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are here with another exciting video of animals as we promised in our last video. So today, we brought the top 9 animals that can unexpectedly kill the dangerous snake in the world. Anacondas are the biggest snake in the world on account of their weight and length. They weigh approximately about 2,247 kilograms and are 9 meters long. Anacondas are not venomous snakes, but are great in wrapping up their victims and swallowing them. This largest snake can eat up to every species, but not every time. In this video, you will see which animals can prey on anacondas. Before moving further, make sure to like our video, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, or else this great anaconda will appear in your room when you will be sleeping. And let's see the animals that can finish off an anaconda easily. Number 9. Killer bees. Do you think bees can only sting humans? No, they can also kill giant and massive animals like anacondas. Killer bees are a little smaller in size than European bees, but they defend their hive more effectively and are more venomous than European bees. Once in the forest, Anaconda moved around the giant tree and unfortunately reached the top where killer bees were defending their hive. Killer bees targeted the anaconda and rapidly got to it and started to sting it. Anaconda fell off from the tree but kept moving blindly, and killer bees didn't leave it until the poor anaconda died. Number 8. Porcupines. For me, the porcupine is a cute animal, but deals the ferocious and severe situation bravery. Porcupine is venomous and a kind animal, as it saved the life of a baby turtle from the anaconda. Once at the riverbank, Anaconda was after a turtle who was struggling hard to escape. Porcupine appeared there and tried to save the baby turtle, or don't know what it wanted, but unfortunately, Anaconda swallowed the porcupine. But wait, it's not the end. After a moment, Anaconda died because of the porcupine's venomous spines. But I feel sad for the poor porcupine. Number 7. Bald eagles. Bald eagles are known for eating fishes, snakes, turtles, and dead animals. But who would know that they now have started attacking the anacondas? Not the grown-up ones, but the growing ones. Once, a bald eagle was resting on the tree bark, and after a few moments, it flew hard and attacked the baby anaconda in the bushes. In reality, the bald eagle was not resting, it was targeting the prey, and in no time, that bald eagle ripped off the anaconda and made it its dinner. Baby anaconda starts learning to defend themselves since birth, but they are not strong enough to defend themselves effectively, and mostly become the prey of different animals. Don't you feel sad for that poor baby? Number 6. Male black caimans. Male black caimans are from the subfamily of Caimanae with 16 feet in height and about 1,000 pounds of weight or more, whereas green anacondas, the largest snake, may come at 30 feet in length but weigh 500 pounds, half of the black caimans. Anacondas usually prey on the small species of caimans, but they cannot cover up the grown-up male black caiman. To swallow the black caiman, anaconda has to make double or more than double up efforts, whereas a black caiman's only bite can cause the anaconda to rest in peace. Do you think only anacondas can prey on caimans? You're mistaken, because they can stand in front of male black caimans for an extended period. Number 5. Komodo Dragon. If someone asked you who would win a fight between an anaconda and a Komodo dragon, what would be your answer? I would throw down for the Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are usually over one heavy football player's height and weight and can run swiftly with 11 miles per hour, whereas anaconda and Komodo dragon can never fight, as one is the largest snake but in the water, and the other is the largest lizard but on land. What if, in case they battle with each other? Then I'm sure Komodo Dragon will be the winner, indirectly. Komodo Dragon has venomous teeth and bloody saliva. It cannot defend itself from the Anaconda and can be swallowed. But as these lizards are venomous, an anaconda can be deadly easily after swallowing this venomous land creature. Number 4. African lion. Did you know an African lion weighs half of the female green anaconda? But it can still finish it off. Anaconda weighs from 500 pounds to 550 pounds. Its crawling is too slow on the land. This is where the lion comes in power. Once the lion was roaming near the bank, an anaconda was lying next to it. The lion started to drag the heavy tail of an anaconda, and with this sudden attack, Anaconda was startled, but it tried hard to wrap up the lion. However, Anaconda was unable to succeed. The lion sunk its most substantial bite in Anaconda's neck and wins the fight. Number 3. Saltwater crocodile. Now, in this case, both sea creatures have the strongest bites. Who do you think will win the fight? However, the anaconda is the biggest snake and can suffocate any prey, but it can't swallow the enormous saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile and anaconda use the same method to capture and ambush their prey. But the crocodile is always the winner when it comes to the battle of both. Crocodile has its sharp canine that can tear any flesh. Moreover, anaconda's skin is also not that hard to support. A saltwater crocodile can easily flesh the anaconda in no time and can swallow this biggest snake efficiently. Number 2. Jaguar. Now, we have a jaguar, a great swimmer, enormous, and a land creature with the strongest bites. Jaguar weighs about 200 pounds less than the anaconda's weight, but still, the jaguar is of the top successful animals that can kill an anaconda. Once, a jaguar was swimming in the river and spotted an anaconda. At the same time, Anaconda also spotted the jaguar. Anaconda was the first to attack and injured the jaguar's back. But Jaguar didn't lose his strength and attacked back with double the strength. After the jaguar's attack, Anaconda tried hard to escape. However, the jaguar kept on following the snake in the river and didn't care about his wound. Jaguar captured the anaconda and sunk in its sharp canines in Anaconda's neck, and the poor snake died at the spot. Let's uncover our top animal that can kill an anaconda. I mean, not ours, it's venomous. Number 1. King Cobra. So we have King Cobra at the top of our list. The opponents are great at their places. One is the most poisonous snake, and on the other side, we have the biggest and expert in suffocating snake. Anaconda may be the biggest and heaviest snake, but can't stand against the King Cobra. This animal species have not any idea to protect itself from the venomous bite of the King Cobra. Only one, just a single bite of Cobra, can take the life of an anaconda, no matter how enormous it is. So that was all about today's video. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments section. Also, do share your favorite battle of an animal with anacondas. Thank you so much everyone for your support. We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.